Hi, I'm Uncle Buck, and this is the Uncle Buck Challenge. We call it a monster sandwich or the Uncle Buck Challenge. We've had 10 to 12 people try it, and nobody's done it yet. The first person that does it gets to name it. That's why it's just called right now the Uncle Buck Challenge. They get a t-shirt, their name goes on the wall, and it's free. It's a $29.95 sandwich. If they eat it, free t-shirt, and the first one gets to name it. We have a pound of pulled pork, a pound of smoked chicken, almost a pound of brisket, lettuce, tomato, cheese, about a half a pound of coleslaw, the buns, and we surround it with fries until it matches the 6 pounds.
I'm gonna cut it in 4s and then just go from there.
My aunt's boyfriend take on the 6-pound burger challenge.
You think he's gonna do it?
Yes.
The waiver everybody has to sign just to make sure they understand what they're getting themselves into and they can't hold Uncle Buck accountable for anything.
That's for the lawyer.
Per lawyer.
Oh boy.
There you go. Gotta get your picture so when one of yous win, I put your name on the wall.
You think they're gonna do it?
I don't know. It looks like one guy might. we have a couple of good candidates.
They're not going to do it. I was here the last one.
I think that kid will do it.
On the bottom.
It's all going to the same place, no matter what you do.
Let it go down.
You have to walk around.
I would say just, he's starved all day. Let him eat. He can eat a lot. So Uncle Buck's, nobody else ever did it before. I'd like to see him do it so he can name it.
Go Mark! Go Mark!
I think so. I think at least one of the people over there is going to make it.
I think the one on the bigger kid is going to make it. I think he's starting to sink with the hat on.
You gonna throw in the towel?
You don't want to, but you feel like you got to. You have to. Just because it's repetitious. You're eating the same thing over and over and over again. It's just nuts.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
You want me to weigh it?
Yeah.
3 pounds, 15 ounces left. True way.
I don't know if I can eat anymore.
You're done.
I'm not even trying.
Okay. He ate 3.9. No, the other guy left 1.3.
Bring your A game. I mean, that's all I can really say.
Okay, no winners tonight at Uncle Buck's Challenge, but if you want to sign up, come on down or give a call, 779-5950. Try your luck at the 6-pound Uncle Buck Challenge.